In this demo, I'm going to show you how the online exam works. So we are looking at a network-based training institute, which are offering trainings in different places and branches across the major cities. As part of the head office, you can able to define the curriculum for all your operation. Administrator of the head office will have a menu options for what's called curriculum development. You click on curriculum development, it's help you to define all your educational master information, including the courses, grade system, subjects, and exam schedule, and the content and the fee. The questioning and uploading of videos are part of the content section. So you click on the content, it will ask you to select a course. You select a course and it will display the list of subject. So the first icon in the subject is the chapters and contents. So click on the chapters and content. So here it's help you to define all your lessons and the chapter under each lesson. So you can able to define them. Against each chapter, you can able to upload the contents, which include the documents, videos, or any links from the web. The next option is about creating the questions. So you can click on the questions. You can define a list of questions, and it show you the answers option for the answers. You can choose one of the answer or more answer as a correct. So we support multiple selection as well. So you can add multiple questions. This is one-time setup, so you need not do it for every batch. So once you do it for your entire organization, this information is available for all the students who studies from a different branch. So I'm saving these two questions against the chapter 1. You can build these questions over the period of time, and then once you have these questions defined, you can go back to the subject. In the subject, against each subject, what you can do is you can create an online exam. So you create an online exam. So you can say test preparation. So number of questions, total number of questions is 50. So we are supporting two type of exams. One is the time bound, where you can say that there will be 50 questions in 50 minutes or 60 minutes or 30 minutes, whichever the time. Or for the preparation questions, or based on number of questions, it is not the time bound. So for the, you can allow the students to try take as much as time they want to answer them. And you can also specify number of attempts allowed. So if you are a preparation, you allow any number. But for the practical exams, probably you can specify only one, so that they can take only one. We also have a restriction in terms of the date. So that means these exams can be taken only between those dates. As an administrator of curriculum development, you have defined these questions. Also, you created a test preparation. This is a one-time activity, but once you set up, all your branches will have access to these questions and the test. So now let's look at our two branch which we have on location 1 and location 2. And in these locations, and I'm going to look at the section A of the batch, 2013 batch. So we have a teacher and a couple of students. So I'm going to log in as a student first and take an exams. Then I'm going to show you how the teachers will see the results. I'm opening another browser. So I am already logged in as the student. So when the student log in, he will get a list of batches he has been active. So you click on the batch, the student studying. There are various options is there. One of the option is the content portion. So if you click content, then you have these videos, documents, and the text things are available. Then you have one of the option called online exams. So here you can see all the list of exams created. I'll take one of the exams. So it start the exam, start the question, it show it's a time bound and the duration. So I can able to start answering this question. When you define question, there are a couple of options there. Either you can specify a random question. This picks up the random question based on number of questions you have specified, or the duration. If it's 10 minutes, it's run the exams for 10 minutes. This exam will be completed either when it reaches 10 minutes, or if you define the based on number of questions, then it will terminate the exams after once the student has been answered that many questions. So I'm going to quit now, show you the result page. Once a student complete their exams, It'll show you the result. It will show you the total number of questions asked and the answer. The users got it right. And here it's also show you all the list of question and the answer and show you whether it's correct. And it's also show you how much time the user taken to answer this question. Apart from that, we are also working on a graphs which will show you the strength in terms of the major categories of question is being asked, so that student can see which areas he is comfortable and which are the areas not. So this is from the student point of view, and student can also go and see that previous exam. So if you go to the content and select a particular subject, so this will show you all the list of previous exams which taken by the student. Now I'm going to log in as a teacher. So I'm already logged in as a teacher. So when the teacher logs in, it will show you all the list of sections he's taking. So he's taking for section A. The student answer is from the for JU Basic. When the teacher logs in, so we have this content option. You click on the content option, that will show you all the list of online exams. So teacher can select one of the exams. It will show you all the list of students taking the exams and the score. And teachers can go and evaluate them the details of it by clicking on the details. So this give end-to-end online exams, so where the head office to set up people to prepare the questions and define the exams. Then the students, whoever studies a particular batch on that syllabus, they will get these exams list. They can able to take the exams, and the results are communicated to them back. As a teacher, he can log in and see how his students are performing. There are lots of reports are in progress, so that will be released soon.